everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Rumble account. So a Rumble is the video sharing platform where you can upload and share the videos. So if you want to create the Rumble account, for that launch open Rumble application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Rumble application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can either continue with email, continue with Google, or continue with Facebook. So simply tap on the sign up method of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on the option continue with email. If you also selected that option, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to sign into your account if you already have the account. But if you do not have the account yet, simply tap on the option create account. Now you'll be able to create the account for yourself. All you have to do is enter these details that you can see right over here. First of all, enter the username for yourself. After doing that, what you have to do is provide your email address. Simply enter the email address over here. Likewise, create a password for yourself. Make sure to create a strong password. Now after you create the password, select the birthday. First of all, select the day. Now select the month. Likewise, select the year. After you're done, simply tap on the screen. Now select the gender. Tap on the option of gender and select the gender. Now simply check on this box that you can see right over here in order to agree to Rumble's terms and conditions and agency agreement. Now tap on the option join Rumble. Now you can see over here easily your Rumble account will be created. So that is how you create Rumble account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.